To enable spreads, you first need to enable option trading and ensure you are approved for the appropriate level of option strategies. The process begins with enabling option trading, which can be done by opening the app, clicking on the profile icon, and then selecting the three-line menu. From this menu, click on the investing option and scroll down to the option trading section, where you can enable this feature by tapping on the Enable Option Trading button and confirming your investor profile details. After completing these steps, the system will review your information and notify you of your approval status and the level of option trading you are authorized for. There are different levels of option trading, with Level 2 allowing basic strategies and Level 3 granting access to advanced strategies, including spreads. To trade spreads, you must be approved for Level 3, which depends on factors such as your trading experience, financial situation, and investment objectives. Once approved, you can place a spread trade by selecting an underlying asset, choosing a spread strategy, and selecting the desired strike price and expiration date. You will also need to enter the number of contracts you want to buy and review the order details, including potential risks and rewards. After reviewing the details, you can submit your spread, and it will be processed. This process allows you to enable and trade spreads, and it is essential to carefully review the details and understand the risks and rewards involved.